Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness. Please make sure you like this video. Okay, it's gonna be a quick one. I stumbled on Nkere video yesterday and he said something very, very important. He's demanding for the address of some people. Ah! She didn't remember the bill. Okay, get a blue hot. He was very, very, very angry. He was fuming. Oh God! Well, get me the address and their name. Get me the address and the. Ah! Oh my goodness! You know what? Let's go there. I don't want to say much. Just hear this for yourself, okay?
You and the entire team, and see Minister Rob Command and previous ministers that have spoken earlier. I said thank you for what you have done. This journey that we have embarked on, we are not going back. So I appear here as a Biafran citizen, and we speak as a Biafran citizen, and we speak as a clear mind, the way I feel. We're moving forward. Don't be distracted. All our enemies, we can see them they cry every day, they scatter, lying, saying whatever they want to say. But the good thing about it is that when you're in the right path, you know you're in the right path. No one can deceive you. And you'll be able to sleep at night and have a good night sleep without feeling big guilt or anything. A while ago, just more than a year ago, there was a mad woman from France named Kelenne. She came to one of our programs. I believe she started meeting. Why she was actually pretending to be crying or whatever, he pleaded. He said, I should find a place in my heart to forgive. She have wronged me. That she have wronged my Nkere. That she lied against me. And I let her know then that I don't have the power to forgive. Whatever she did to me is not just with Biafran people. Because this evil woman has killed, if not thousands, hundreds of people. And they have deceived a lot. And a lot of Biafrans that haven't come across the message are following them. These evil people know what they are doing. They know they are betraying our people, lying to our people. We keep repeating, lying after lie after lie. To a time, this evil woman at the time said the Nigerian government paid over 150 million. Where is the money? I didn't even see anything like that. At the time, they will say no blue government. Evil people like that, please. I'm here as a citizen of here, not leave the title this time. Let me say that is. We need her address. Kelenne TV. If you live in diaspora, where they can come and answer for everything they are doing, all the false allegations, we need their address. Name and address. Keea TV. We need their address.
Now, this is Nkere demanding. First thing first, she needs address and name of Isocha. He needs her address. Then he mentioned Kelenne TV. He need Kelenne's address and maybe name, I don't know. Then Keea TV. I thought he said QTV or Keea TV. My name, I hope, thank God it's not me, because my name is not Keea. So, Keea TV, Keea, it should be spelled like what? Keea. That's why I put Q. I thought you said QTV. QTV. Oh, it's even Keea. Okay, Keea. Please, you guys that are watching, please, I want you to send me the maybe the contact, maybe the channel of that channel that bear Keea TV, Keea TV, because I was thinking that I am the one that he was talking to. Then I prepared my names and my address to give to him, because there's no need to. We are all looking for Biafra. He said that if you give these names, Biafra will come fast. So because I want Biafra, I want freedom. I have already, if my name and my address is what is going to bring Biafra, I have prepared it. But when he said Keea, then I understand that it was not talking to me. So, but some of you that know the channel, please, you can give me the contact of that channel, maybe the channel link, share the video of the Keea TV. I will now contact the person, demand that Kelenne, you can hear this. So we need your address. We need your address. Kelenne TV, your address and your name is needed here. Because I found my also thought in our. So if this your address is open ordinary, maybe in ordinary, because your address and your name is what is holding us back now. That's the problem. You understand? And I'm sure that why such as one will be very easy to, for him to get, because after all, he has been sending money to her. So I'm not expecting him to come here and start demanding her name and the address when you have been sending money to her. You understand? So how come you all of a sudden you don't know her name again? So you were sending money under whose name? These people can deceive what in that. I am not here to attack him or to say something funny, but I just want to, because I thought he was talking to me, but when I hear Keea, so I wasn't. The title says QTV, not QTV. QTV is the other guy. No, QTV. But now I understand that he said Keea TV, not Kai. Okay, mine is Kai. This one is different. Now the thing is this: he actually blew hot, and we are gonna. You hear him.
The one that called herself progress analyst. We need your address.
Progress. I don't know if you are watching, but someone should tag this video to progress the analyst. All of you that these are brother need their address. Do not hesitate. Submit your address. Submit your address and everything, so that, because that is what congressmen need. Congressmen that our APM has been having handshake with. The only thing that remains now is, you see, Kelenne TV, because Biafra is in your house. We need to locate your address and your name to get Biafra. That is what congressmen need now. Progress journalists, don't hesitate. We need your address sharply and your full name. Don't miss it. But why is such a own? If you are asking her address, someone that have been sending money to her will also be asking the address. Make it to make sense. The other day he was actually asking for the address of Mazakwa. How did he send money to Mazakwa without his name and his details? I'm not sure, but let's continue.
Those are saying I'm working with Ngozi. We have something in common with Ngozi. The last truth at the time was not real. They will be served. We will deal with any support.
You see, You guys should bring this name so that it will be served. You'll be served. So that, once our brother Nkere, arrive in your house, the moment he will use this voice and call Biafra, all this are freedom that you guys hide in your house. We break door, break window, and run out, and he will take it and go. That's what he needs. You guys are the so I don't know that Kelenne TV, Kelenne, you are the one. And progress, you both of you you guys have been hindering us from freedom. You seize this freedom and expecting us to do what? And all this while. You just take the Biafra freedom to your houses, high cover it with your name. Nah, no. Don't worry. I just try and give us this address. That's all I can say. Give us this address. Okay, hey, at least I'm sending your message. Listen.
Any evil.
On
there is pain in my heart.
Hey, what?
Biafran people have been killed, not in thousands or hundreds, in millions.
Yeah.
The massacre to death. Till now, there is war in our land.
Which is true. And this pain in the Nkere heart, the same pain that he has in his heart when he told BLA to pipe low, so that they can prove that BLA is not working for Ngozi. The same heart, the same feeling is now back again. You guys should, anything that he asks you, please deliver, because I was prepared. I have already prepared my address, everything, thinking that, but I don't, that person that he mentioned need to step up and submit your address and your name sharply. We need it so you can now settle congressmen and everything will be smooth.
We need help. Those are supposed to help all the turn around to sabotage us.
Yeah.
Don't fight against this movement.
Very sad. Very sad.
It is the only fight, the only thing I do before my last breath to make sure that Biafra people are totally free. Go hate, go help me, God. We are little in number fighting this fight. There is no room for any sabotage. And those are
supported
financially, spiritually, or otherwise support what we are doing. While you have some evil people, knowing that what they are doing is evil. I came across something, an old woman of 73 years old.
He did not mention the evil people because he actually asked for this address and names. Then he's not talking about the evil people. So if your name appear there, Kelenne, Progress, he's not calling you evil. He said he was actually demanding just your name and your address so that you'll be served at mom of breakfast go out. At mom of breakfast also serve you call lunch. So help me thank God because he did not even request. I am not included. So just on the comment section, you put thank God. Kai report is free. You understand? Because he was actually talking to others, like Kelenne and Progress. Which Kelenne I know. Kelenne, this is minority. Kelenne will just give his address. That's no need. Why not? Kelenne don't care, but he will just give address and his name, for him to be served. But I don't know what. But Kelenne I don't go now serve one day. So what could he be serving? Like what is that he want to serve? Is it breakfast or lunch or dinner? I don't know. Let's see. Please, you guys should bring your address so we know what he was served.
Last year,
she
is the one.
What did he call her?
We need her address.
Wait.
Kelenne TV.
Okay.
If you live in diaspora, where they can come and answer for everything they are doing, all the false allegations, we need your address. Name and address.
Okay, the address is for Kelenne is giving false allegation against him. Yeah. Hi. False allegation. Kelenne, which kind of false allegation? Is it his name? Like I hope you're not calling him Nkere, Azayok, because his name is Nkere. You know, most of you are making that mistake. His name is Nkere, not Azayok. If you call him Nkere, you'll be served. If you call him Azayok, I mean, you'll be served because his name is Nkere. But when he want to sign in some document, you know, Azayok will appear. Azayok is only on document. The Nkere is when you are talking. Don't learn how to call his name. Okay, I hope I'm delivering the message properly.
TV, we need your address.
What's not again as well? What can I go say again?
In my heart to forgive. She have wrong.
Let's continue.
She have wrong Marvin. That she lied against me.
Okay.
And I let her know then that I don't have the power to forgive. Whatever she did to me,
he don't have power to forgive, but he has the power to serve you. You'll be served.
If not thousands, hundreds of them.
I guess.
And they have deceived a lot. And a lot of Biafrans that haven't come across the message are following them. These evil people know what they are doing.
Yeah.
They know they are betraying our people, lying to our people. They keep repeating, lying after lie after lie. To a time, this evil woman at the time said the Nigerian government paid over 150 million. Where is the money? I didn't even see anything like that. At the time, they will say no government. Evil people like that, please. I'm here as a citizen of here, not leave the title there. Let me say that is. We need her address. Kelenne TV. If you live in diaspora, where they can come and answer for everything they are doing, all the false allegations, we need your address. Name and address. Keea TV. We need your address.
Keea TV.
The one that call herself progress analyst. We need your address. Those are saying that I'm working with Ngozi. We have something in common with Ngozi. We lost truth at the time was not really. They will tell truth. They will be served. We will deal with every support.
So now more.
Any support. Any evil. There is pain in my heart. Biafran people have been killed, not in thousands or hundreds, in millions. Biafran, the massacre, starved to death, till now. There is war in our land. We need help. Those are supposed to help all the turn around, to sabotage us, to fight against this movement. If this is the only fight or only thing I do before my last breath,
Keea TV. You guys should tag this video to Keea TV. Keea TV.
We are little in number fighting this fight.
Tag to Kelenne, tag to Keea. Keea TV and tag to Progress.
Financially, spiritually, or otherwise support what we are doing. While you have some evil people, knowing that what they are doing is evil. I came across something with an old woman of 33 years old, she called her baby, a great woman. Last year, she is the one, starting from 2022, she has been behind in the The same woman that she denied today, that she should get to know after the so-called surrogate or whatever. This woman, sometime last year, was championing African in command. That is like 3 or 4 months before we went to Kenya. This woman last year hosted he was in California with some paid security that are not even security, just to push industry, support industry. These are the evil wings in what we are doing. Today, she has moved the goalpost. Today, she's using her age as 73 years old.
Now she's not a fool, but when she was in your platform, calling Ngosora President Ngosora Bugolo Fulani, Halamati Babaka. When they speak, when the other had their colleagues speak, they spoke Hausa language fluently. Then she was at that Biafra. You see, see, just imagine that. If we are here now, in their own this fallback republic, that woman appeared there, claimed that COS was born in the north. Her name is Halimata Abubakar. That she married a Fulani woman, a Fulani man. That she do this and she do that. Remember, you were calling her Ada Biafra, Mama Biafra. Now she's an evil woman because she's now with CRC. She's not doing what she knows how to do best, jumping from place to place. And you want people that can think to take what you're saying as serious. Hear this.
Lying. So then, she was talking about how she talked to me, I should do this, I should do that. All that are practically lies. Before we went to Finland with intention, after Finland committed to support because supporting us. January, February, March, she's still waiting us.
Lie from pit of hell. She was not with the USB government. She claimed that she's tired, she wants to go and rest. Without knowing that she was waiting for, I don't know what she was seeking for. Some said cash. Some said that she was waiting to betray due to her test. Never can tell. But all I can tell you that at that point when this guy is talking about, she is not with USB government. She's not even talking. She just surfaced. Back to Nkere. Listen.
Was nominated as the acting prime minister. She not.
Who nominated you? Before I was nominated as an acting prime minister, who nominated you? The man that nominated you is now with another group. Again.
When did she manage to put herself and align with other educated people that call themselves professors? Please, dear friends, we must hold these people accountable. With all this their life, so help me God. If they are not held accountable, I don't think I will be able to have a good day at all. Please, I'm gonna just give you 1 second. I'm gonna join this program again. Thank you.
He did not stop there. He later came back and began to rant again. So let's continue listening a little bit before we end it. I don't want this video to be too long, but I want you to hear your brother. Nkere, pardon me. I always, prefer to call you what you want to hear, which is Nkere. Because this now that we are serving breakfast and serving afternoon lunch, serving dinner and all that, you are looking for address. You have not mentioned my address, my name, so I don't want to be in the list of you I will serve. And I don't want it because I don't know what you are serving. I'm actually afraid of you, because you are very gigantic personality. The American government, they don't joke with you. Everybody, America declare public holidays anytime you start or something. So I have to be cautioned. Now, let's go to the video. Just hear this.
People waiting for. Look at what is happening in the upper land.
Mm-hmm.
Thank God we have our security. But we have to encourage those that are protecting our land. All these distractions will still stop. If you know your neighbor, any of your family member, how can I advise them? We are moving to a different dimension. When things start happening, don't say you are one. All these people that after how many years? Last year, these saboteurs that have produced, we think crazy of the finance minister. They call me name. They sing praises. So we come during our regular exercise of supporting our freedom. They will say, it's not much yet the people will get it. What would have happened? But people, form your freedom. Support your freedom. Don't be distracted. Like the old woman in California at 73 years old. This is how she pushed Aggie, until she pushed Aggie out of the way. Not just Aggie. Since 2023, she has been mastermind behind God. And she want to tell you that because of the surrogate, so-called surrogate, way before that, whatever surrogate, I don't know about. This woman is the same woman who you enter home with last year, months before we went to Finland. Campaigning of God doing the second command, the same wish.
Now, this is what I wanted to use this particular video to run live program, but I don't know. I don't trust my time. You understand? So I have to record this video, and it's gonna be. I will release it maybe afternoon time, Biafra time. But be it that one thing you need to understand. There's a lot to discuss here. The animosity started even before the declaration of in Finland. That I don't know who was calling US second in command was a problem to this guy. It was a very good problem to him. He never trusted I don't know. I noticed that when the day he printed the pictures of Biafra, when he said Biafra, see you, enemy, I don't know who was still in his camp, but he presented a picture. Do you understand? And here he's talking about Dr. Aggie being pushed somewhere by the same. I don't know. I don't know how, if that is true. I don't know if Dr. Aggie and I don't know who are in contact. I don't know. All right. But why is he talking about it now? He's talking about it now because the bitterness is not something of today. You defending that you don't know the genesis. And mind you that he until this day, this guy have not said that PM did not say call PM DPM so he surrogate. Instead, he said kind of surrogate my foot. Do you understand? That's what he's trying to tell you. Think about it. Let's continue.
The same woman that hurt trying to push him, all these evil people. If we can reach to the land of Biafra, we not forgive. Just like what I told the one in France. I don't know what court they belong to. I don't know what they derive. The joy they derive saying Biafra has been massacred. I don't know what they need the blood of Biafra for. I I told this woman, I don't have the power to forgive her. I lecture her. I can't. If she thinks she's fighting me, she's fighting against Biafra. When I go to Washington, D.C., I don't go to Washington, D.C. at Nkere. I appear in Washington, D.C. I'm a Biafran. 3 days ago, I'm in Washington, D.C. for a stock meeting. I didn't go there for my own personal interest, for the interest of Biafra. Everything I do, I say that it's for Biafra. For all of it there in that thing, they're fighting me. We will not succeed. But even if they do, the land of Biafra, we deal with them. None of them will succeed or even stay their foot in the land of Biafra. The land of Biafra will swallow them.
This is direct threatening. When any of them say that you are not going to step your foot on the land of Biafra, it's not going to be the land that is going to come after you. What he's trying to say literally is that his gangs will come after you. And one thing you need to understand, Nkere, I'm just being real, forget that joke apart. Nobody is actually attacking you. I don't see anybody calling you what you are not, like calling you names or saying, like, I'm speaking from the angle of USB government. I'm not talking about why he started to call anybody's name. Even me, but he called me a Fulani man. All right. And just like Mazakwa, break eggs in everybody's name, and you were clapping as a Biafran when he was with you. He used to break eggs. Son Bawa was actually encouraging Biafran to go and buy egg and join the Ajere in prayer. In prayer. Oh, that like you normally do. Nan is Nan Madam Ajere, right? This life we need to also be careful. You can lay calls and say anything, but the thing is that the righteous ones cannot be cursed. When somebody like me said that Isaiah Yogo, that you lied, I mentioned how you lied. When I said that you are fighting because of position, I gave out my reasons. I did not just talk without explaining with myself. So why are you angry? What is that part of the, what is that part of our broadcast, like Kelenne broadcast, progress analyst broadcast, or any other person broadcast that irritates you? Because these are people that you mentioned their name correctly. So if you have issue with that broadcast, you have to point out what they said that is not true. Is it your name that you have double name? Is it that people talk about you refusing to give an account that happened before everybody? Is that something that you said they're blackmailing you? Or is it the fact that you called PM a betrayer from your own write-up? Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with some of us. If you have issue with people talking about you, why don't you go back and examine yourself? But we are acting as if you are talking tough, making mockery of the whole thing. Anyway, hear him a little bit before we end it, because I don't want the video to be too long.
Swallow them, deal with them, and everything.
Look at the course you are laying on who exactly? On the generation that they did. What is the offense though? The steps and everything is there. You never for once believe that another person will lead. It must be you, which is not proper. How can it be proper?
Food they eat, the water they drink, the air they breathe.
No.
But if they are just and pure, the nature of this beautiful earth created by Jehovah God who dwells in heaven, they will be blessed. They will blossom. The Keea will be their living. But all of them that have colluded, knowingly that what they are doing, that they are sabotaging this great movement, can never be well. So anything that we can do, anything that we can use to fight back, to hold them accountable, we will do it. Whether they are in Italy, all we need address. Whatever weapon we have, what we can use to our own disposal, whether it's the law that governs democracy, whatever. When they talk about how what happened to our government, yes. What happened to protect religion? If what happened has not happened, just imagine where we'll be today. We already cook and have a plan.
You protect Briggy from what? Because you knew that you're gonna fight from day one. That's why you changed the document before even the declaration. When people were busy talking about how to declare referendum, your own, you were busy talking about how to change the document to colonize everything. After colonizing it, what have you done with it? Anyway, listen.
Ambush people, but they did not succeed. One of their mad dogs just 2 days ago was shouting that she got disappointed that a group of saboteurs are not able to recapture or take Britain. A while ago, I said Britain, BROGRE. No one can destroy BROGRE. Nobody, nothing can bring BROGRE down. BROGRE will bring our freedom. From Washington, DC. We already set the thing. If BTC, whatever nonsense at all, other groups go to Washington and see if they will listen to you. I'm sending a strong warning as the citizen of Biafra, as the concerned Biafra, as the concerned Biafra that care for his people. All of you that are laughing, all of you that are sabotaging what we are doing. All I need is your address and your name, leave the rest. You know when we decide, we will take you to wherever that you will be held accountable. You will answer for your action and for those that are destroying my name. Nkere. That name will haunt you. In your dream, you will hear you will start shouting with and run away from you. It will haunt you. Disease from your evil way.
So you are hearing that his name is now working spiritually, but some of you that maybe after calling his name, you start having nightmare. You not know where. Please let me know what you think about all this. It's quite funny. I am tired to laugh to I just want to get rest. Oh my goodness. Please let me know what you think about it and tag this to Kelenne, tag it to Progress. Let them know that the address is there. Because these are people that are holding us from getting congressmen actually need these addresses. And please get it done faster because Nkere, our ATM, our APM is at work. Please make sure you like the video. God bless you. Take care. Good morning.